this is what I did the other night, a couple of days ago, I guess now. A few gotta lame that up. And this junk here, I'm gonna put that right in the furnace. And this is a good hardwood log that I want to get. There's a few other, I'll probably just cut down whatever I see that's needs to be cleaned out. So we got that little pile, this little pile. Most of it is all softwood, but I mean, you know, like a couple of cord. I can burn all of that. There's one big tree that was hardwood. Yeah, it's quite not bad. A lot of farting around to get a little bit of wood though. I got a nice big wide path here now. There's a whole bunch of trees over there. I went right back through here because I thought there might be more stuff, but there wasn't. This is where the big tree was here. So it'll open it up at least. Stuff will grow in here again. There's a big stone I was going to get. Take the big stones home, put them under the logs. There's another log there I could have pulled out. But I mean, oh well. There's a lot of stuff here. Softwood, like there's a couple trees there I didn't get. Like you could take the time to, there's another one, pull it out, but I don't know. Like I got all kinds of firewood myself. I just hate seeing it go to waste. So I went way back through here. Yeah, I went back through here too. I turned over here, I think, if I remember. Yeah, I turned here. So there was really nothing. But over here to the east of me, there's quite a few hardwood trees down in there. But really there's not much here. There's something there, I don't know. Might be one. But like I said, by the time you go around and try and get to it, you gotta destroy a whole bunch of other little trees just to get the one good tree. So anyway, that's not too bad for a couple hours. If the trees are pretty close, you don't have to do a lot of traveling or digging stuff out to get to a tree. You can usually limb a tree, drop a tree and limb it, and probably get a cord in an hour. That's what it seems to be. So it's going to rain for the rest of the week. This is Sunday. Supposed to get 5 to 10 tomorrow, or 10 to 15 tomorrow, and then 5 to 10 on Tuesday, and then 1 to 3 Wednesday, and Thursday supposed to be just cloudy, and back to showers again Friday. So I marked up the field here a little bit, just to cover crop anyway. So we can start cleaning stuff up. Maybe, I don't know if I can come back here Thursday. See, I don't know if I can get back here with the log trailer and the truck when it's sloppy like this.